Transforming your terrace into a chic and inviting outdoor oasis is an exciting endeavor that can significantly enhance your living space. Whether you envision a tranquil retreat for relaxation or a vibrant entertainment area for gatherings, there are countless ways to infuse style and personality into your terrace. Here are some innovative ideas to help you get your chill on while creating a stunning and functional outdoor area. Begin by considering how you want to use your terrace. Establishing distinct zones can add functionality and aesthetic appeal. For instance, you might create a lounging area with comfortable seating, a dining space with a stylish table, and a garden nook filled with lush plants. Use outdoor rugs to delineate these areas, providing a sense of warmth and coziness. Choosing the right furniture is crucial for achieving a stylish terrace. Opt for weather-resistant materials such as teak, aluminum, or synthetic wicker to ensure durability while maintaining elegance. Lounge chairs, hammocks, and sectional sofas are great options for relaxation, while a chic dining set can elevate your outdoor dining experience. Don't forget to add cushions and throws in vibrant colors or patterns to personalize your space. Lush plants and greenery can transform your terrace into a serene escape. Consider vertical gardens, potted plants, or hanging planters to add depth and color. Choose a mix of perennials, annuals, and even herbs to create a visually appealing and fragrant environment. Additionally, strategically placed plants can provide privacy and a sense of seclusion, making your terrace feel like a hidden retreat. To truly get your chill on, don't overlook the power of lighting. Soft ambient lighting can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings or quiet nights under the stars. Incorporate string lights, lanterns, or even LED candles to enhance the mood. For a more modern touch, consider installing built-in lighting along pathways or within planters to highlight your terrace's features. Your terrace should reflect your personal style and interests. Incorporate decorative elements such as sculptures, art pieces, or unique outdoor decor that resonates with you. Consider creating a themed area, perhaps inspired by a favorite travel destination or a specific color palette. These personal touches will make your terrace feel like an extension of your home. Consider adding functional features to maximize your terrace's usability. An outdoor kitchen or bar can make entertaining a breeze, while a fire pit or outdoor heater allows for year-round enjoyment. If space permits, a small water feature such as a fountain can add a soothing element to your outdoor space, enhancing the overall ambience. By implementing these stylish ideas, you can create a terrace that not only serves as a functional outdoor space, but also as a chic reflection of your personal style. So get your chill on and enjoy the process of transforming your terrace into an inviting haven where you can relax, entertain, and unwind. With thoughtful planning and creativity, your terrace can become a stylish sanctuary that you and your guests will love.